Cordial saludo para todos, mi nombre es Santiago Cleves Sarria. En esta hora voy a presentar la tarea número 4 de Inglés A2. En este caso el paso 2 voy a presentar lo que es sobre crear un video en el que voy a hablar sobre una imaginación, digámoslo así, sobre que yo voy a viajar a un lugar con mi familia o solo, utilizando el futuro con voluntad, yendo a. Entonces aquí en este caso lo tengo en inglés y lo voy a leer. Me dice: On the 7th of February of the following year, I am going to travel with my family. I have always wanted to know the most touristic place in the Colombia. Although there are two main, but I think they are worth visiting. We are going to stay in hotels since we do not have relatives in those places. At all we will have to spend a lot of money, but the important thing is that we can be working from where we are. After arriving at our destinations, we are going to eat at a restaurant in Santa Marta called Don Chucho Gourmet. We'll be the way they make very delicious meals. After having lunch, we are going to have a little fun on the most beautiful beaches of Santa Marta. We take photos. We lunch until the day is over, and so on. We spend these 2 days in the city of Santa Marta. Okay, then we went to Macarena Meta, a place best known for its enriqueture ware and in the crystal stream. After arriving at the airport, we're going to eat because we're hungry, and then go to a hotel, or better known as a residence. The next day we have breakfast, then we go to Caño Cristales, open arrival. We saw shopping at the crossing of the Guayabero River. We walked for approximately 2 hours until we finally reached our goal, and we enjoyed thinking, pots, baking, observing beautiful landscapes until the day way over and we to 11 for our house. Muchas gracias, espero hayan comprendido un poquitico. Pues, de todas formas, ahí voy repasando un poco el inglés, aunque es un poco duro, pero ahí voy. Muchas gracias.